Welcome to the first Science Remote Learning presentation. I will be talking with you about plants, which means we are doing the study of botany. You will become a botanist today as you look at the parts of the flower. The flower's message is all about love. Its story is that it is trying to bring in, through delicious smells and scents and colors, a special pollinator. A pollinator that can help the flower create seeds to make a new plant. Let me show you. This particular flower is a daffodil from my garden, and I collected a bouquet of them during my husband and mine wedding anniversary this year. Now the flowers are done with their blooming, so I can make them into a science lesson. I found the flower at the top of a stem. The stem connects the flower to the rest of the plant and allowing it to get water and nutrients. The flower was covered in a sepal. The sepal is a part of the plant that protects the flower when it's still a bud. When the flower opens, its petals, with its colorful parts, invite the pollinators to come. Inside the petals, we have two special parts, the stamens and the pistil. These are the male and female part of the flower. The stamens have a part that produces pollen. Pollen are the tiny yellow specks you see here. These yellow specks of pollen contain the instructions for making a new plant. They're carried on the anther. The anther is attached to this little thread-like structure here called a filament. This holds the pollen out for the pollinators to find. The pollinator then carries the pollen to this part of the plant, the pistil. This is the female part. Here at the top of the pistil is a sticky stigma where the pollen is captured. It then sends a tube down inside of the style into the ovary at the base of the pistil. Inside of the ovary are eggs. When the pollen and the eggs get together, they form the seeds of a new plant. We call this function reproduction. It's one of the laws of living things. That is why the flower and its parts are about love. Now you can conduct this demonstration yourself. All you need is a paper towel, a pair of scissors, a tweezers, a pencil and paper to label your parts, and a flower. Ask permission before you take it from the bouquet on the dining room table. And then send your picture to our class collaboration on Teams under the folder Flower. I look forward to seeing you again at our next science lesson presentation. Have a good day.